Now, players and coaches, as well as other staff members of clubs in the Red Star Premier League, are to receive at least 50% of their salaries, while the league remains suspended until further notice. Karen Madden reports.
With the league suspended due to the spread of COVID-19 in Jamaica, scores of players, coaches, managers, and other support staff were left pondering their fate. During a virtual meeting of the Premier League Clubs Association on Wednesday, the directors considered several options. The directors say the options included resuming the league in May or June or cancelling the 2019-2020 season, and in the end it was decided it will remain suspended until further notice. The PLC says the sponsors have committed to honoring their obligations when the league resumes, while the association will in the interim honor its obligations directly or through the clubs. The directors also agreed that the resumption of the league will be dependent on government regulations dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. The PLC therefore encouraged clubs to make at least 50% payment to players and staff, with full payment payable when the league resumes. The RSPL was halted in keeping with protocols to stem the spread of the coronavirus. Waterhouse were leading the standings with 54 points, one more than Mount Pleasant, while UWI and Veer were at the foot of the table on 18 points. All teams have played 29 games except Portmore and Humberline, who had played 28. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.